Okay, so write 11/15 as a recurring decimal. So now we've got to sort of do the opposite process. They give us the fraction. We've got to work now to get the decimal. So how do we go about it? Well, completely different approach to what we've done when we're given a recurring decimal and we're asked to write it as a fraction. What we're going to do now is appreciate here, this is a fraction, okay? So it's going to be, it's a proper fraction, isn't it? So the answer is going to be 0 point something, okay? It's going to be less than 1 because the denominator here is bigger. We're trying to divide 11 by a bigger number, 15. And that's the way you need to see this, right? You need to see it as a division. Of course, with division, we can use the bus stop method, okay? So we need to see this as 11 divided by 15. And that will be the best approach here. Okay, so we're dividing by 15. So with the bus stop method, the number you're dividing by goes on the outside. And then we're going to put the 11 inside. And you'll notice what I'm going to do now, right, with my bus stop. I'm going to make it really long, okay? And I'm going to put 11 here. Okay, I'm going to leave sort of gaps between, so we can write in between them now in a minute. But you need to appreciate that we're going to end up having 0 here, and then we're going to have a load of decimals, okay? Because ultimately 15 doesn't go into 11, doesn't it? So what I'm going to need to do here is appreciate, I can write 11 as 11.00000, and so on, yeah? I've done nothing wrong there, because that's what 11 is. It's the same as 11.0 and so on. So then you ask yourself, 15, well, you know it doesn't go into 11, so you put a 0 there. But that 11 then needs to be carried over, okay? Carried over into the tenths column. So the 11's carried over. Now you see you've got 110 here, okay? So you need to now divide 110 by 15. How many times does 15 go into 110? Well, do you know what? Without a calculator, we could easily go wrong here. So it might be good by the side to write down a 15 times table, okay? Write down some of them. So it's easy when you keep adding on 15. It's really easy, okay? Adding on 15 there, so we've got 90, 105, okay? So we could write down a few more if you wanted to. We only need to go up to 9 times 15, actually. That will do. But you can see it goes into 110. Let's check. 1 times 15, 2 times 15, 3 times 15, 4, 5, 6 times 15, and actually 7 times 15. So it goes into it 7 times, and 110 then, from this there'll be 5 left over. Okay, so 5 left over, and it goes into it 7 times. So we've now got 50 here, and we ask the same question. 15 into 50, how many times? Well, 1, 2, 3, goes into it 3 times. 45, which means there's 5 left over. And you're going to see now 15 into 50, well, we did it last time, 3 times, 5 left over. You get the picture. It's going to be the same again. 15 into 50, 3 times, 5 left over, and so on. So you can see then our recurring there. So my answer is going to be 0.7, and it's the 3 that recurs, so we put a dot above that.